First of all, congratulations on taking action and making another very smart decision by adding the ShopABot Pro system to your order. You now have everything you need to quickly build some very large profitable lists in a lot of different niches. Lists that you can promote over and over again, so you can build a nice passive and growing income. There's only one catch. If a list is going to be profitable, you'll need to start writing emails to send to it. With lots of lists and new ones being built all the time, this can quickly become a chore. Don't worry, I have you covered. Introducing Covert Commissions. 100% done for you. Email and affiliate marketing. Covert Commission is a complete email and affiliate marketing system where I have done all the hard work for you. All you have to do is put people into the system, and then I'll take care of the rest. With ShopABot Pro, even that part is automated, so now you can just follow the same simple 3-step system we talked about on the last page. And with just one extra little step in the setup, you only ever have to do it once. ShopABot and Covert Commissions will start working together to automatically put more money in your pocket. Let's have a look at what you get with Covert Commissions and exactly how and why it works so well with ShopABot. Easy, automated, and ready in seconds. Simply plug your Covert Commissions details into the autoresponder area in ShopABot and you are ready to go. There is nothing to install, import, or configure. Covert Commissions will then instantly start promoting to any new leads you generate, making sure that you always maximize your profit. Automatic follow-up email series. Forever, we'll keep emailing your leads on your behalf. They'll receive great content and high-converting promotional emails. And we'll always use your affiliate links. Even better, these email series go on forever, and we keep tweaking, perfecting, and adding to them. You will literally never have to write a single email. Yet you can rest assured that your leads and list are being monetized to the max. Build a true passive and hands-free income. A lot of people have earned their first dollar online using Covert Commissions. Most of our members are now earning daily commissions from this system, and they are earning it on products they have never ever promoted themselves. It works like crazy, and it's one of the only legit ways to build a truly passive income online. Try Covert Commissions completely risk-free. If for any reason you're not happy with it, your membership is fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, and it can be cancelled at any time. If you want to instantly and automatically monetize your new lists, plus build a passive and growing affiliate income, then there's only one thing left to do.